ang simpatikong leader ng Korea, Ryan.
Where's Ryan? You're Ryan?
Oh, this is Ryan.
You're Ryan. Okay, I want to talk to you. Ryan, hindi ka sanay mag-Tagalog. Okay, I'll talk to you in English. Kasi, in an interview, you described your relationship as coming soon. Can you explain that?
Oh, akala ko coming soon, pero mali.
Oh.
Kasi mali.
Oh, ano yung tama? Kung yun ang mali.
Kasi mali.
Okay. Ulitin natin. I get what you mean. Mali yung relationship mo dati. So, ang status ng relationship mo ngayon, coming soon because you're looking forward to the new relationship? Is that what you're saying?
No,
Tama, mali? O mali?
Kasi mali.
Mali. Mali talaga ako.
Sandali.
Sandali. Okay.
Still malayo.
Okay.
Malayo. Kasi I haven't met her yet. I haven't met her yet kasi
Wala pa siya.
my nanay
Yung nanay mo?
didn't send to me money.
Hindi ka binigyan ng...
Tapos I tried to call my tatay.
Okay.
He turned off his cell phone.
He turned off his cell phone.
I think he's very smart.
Okay. Okay.
I feel we are going to talk about this
Yes.
when he's inside the house.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think that was the most important conversation we had today. I will not forget that.